actresses of her generation, a woman of captivating charm and unyielding talent, a dedicated performer and a passionate artist. She is none other than award-winning actress Maha Salvador. She has worked with the most respected names in the industry, all in awe of her craft.
On behalf of your ina, kapatid, anak family,
Congratulations, Ma, for being in the business for 10 years. Happy 10th anniversary, Maha! We love you!
Nakakatuwang isipan because 10 years na siya sa business na to at sa 10 years na yun nakilala siyang magaling na mananayaw. Talagang nagtatak ang galaw Maha. When I first saw her, mahiyain. But when she steps on stage, that's when she transforms.
And as she celebrates her 10 years in showbiz, she is supported by the people who love her most.
Hi Ma, happy 10th anniversary sa'yo. Deserve mo lahat ng meron ka ngayon and you deserve even more kasi napakabait mo, napakasipag, at very talented. And very thankful na kahit papaano naman na nakasama ko dun sa 10 years na yon kahit medyo patulo na. Pero yun, happy anniversary, God bless and wish you more luck and more blessings pa para sa'yo, para sa buong pamilya mo.
Happy 10th anniversary, Aji. Stay strong, pati malalagpasan mo lahat ng pagsubok. Tiwala lang. Love you.
Sana maging marami pang projects na dumating sa'yo para maipakita mo pa yung galing mo. Dahil alam naman namin na magaling ka, kaya go talaga. Happy 10th anniversary. I love you.
And now, be part of Maha's grand celebration right here on ASAP 18. With John Prats, Raver Cruz, and Sam Milby, let's welcome Maha Salvador.
I dive into frozen waves where the past comes back to life. Fight fear for the selfish pain, it was worth it every time. Hold still right before we crash, cause we both know how this ends. A clock ticks till it breaks your glass and I'm drowning you again. Cause you are a piece of me I wish I didn't need. Chasing relentlessly, still fighting, I don't know why. If our love is tragedy, why are you my remedy? If our love's insanity, why are you my clarity?
In everything I do, I strive to be the best. I take risks. I defy expectations. I live my life where at the end, I will have no regrets. And through it all, one thing is for sure. I will never, ever be afraid of being me. I am.
I just wanna feel this moment. I just wanna feel this moment.
Baby, we can party. Baby, we can party. From the tallest building in Tokyo, long way from them hallways, filled with O's and O's. They counting always, real fat all day. Now, baby, we can party. Oh, baby, we can party.
I just wanna feel this moment. I just wanna feel this moment.
Baby, we can party. Baby, we can party. Baby, we can party.
Thank you, G-Force! Mga pamilya, walang katulad ang nag-iisang Maha Salvador!
Girl, you set the stage on fire. Ang galing talaga ni Maha. Congratulations, Maha. Siyempre, 10 years.
Grabe, nakita mo naman yung 10 years na yun. Hindi lang siya magaling na dancer niya, she even sings!
Ayan.
Madge, ikaw na talaga ang nag-iisa.
Thank you. Teka, hindi
Galing
mo na
mo.
ako. Congratulations once
Galing
again.
mo, hindi kami
10
makahinga.
stunning years in the business. Thank you, maraming salamat syempre sa aking ASAP family. Thank you po dahil ang ganda ng aking anniversary prod. Thank you, maraming salamat. At syempre gusto kong magpasalamat kay Tita Chit Ramos. Syempre, wala ako dito kundi dahil sa kanya. And Ma'am Charo, maraming salamat po. At yun, thank you so much.
Before that, bago nga magpasalamat,
May magsasurprise lang sa'yo! Ano bang tawag dyan? Hindi yan bouquet eh. Parang 100 ba yan?
Palitan mo raw yan naman
Ang
eh.
baba.
Je, ano ba nasabi mo para sa 10 years ni Madge? Sorry medyo malaki yung flowers.
Ang laki, pinahirapan mo naman. Thank you.
Ano message mo, Je?
Ano lang, of course, happy anniversary sa'yo. Deserve mo lahat ng blessings na meron ka, lahat ng fans mo. Napakabait mo sa pamilya mo, sa akin, at kaya deserve mo lahat yan. And I'll always be here to protect you. Kaya huwag kang mag-alala. Okay.
Thank you.
Alright.
Wala po. Thank
Madge.
you. Thank you.
Kasing taas mo ng flowers na yan.
Ang alin? Kahit ko lang ba?
Kahit mo lang yung flowers.
daw.
Alright.
Magta-thank you muna ako. Yes, maraming salamat po, Sun Cellular, GSM Blue Light, Chic Nails, maraming salamat. Kobe Tablet, Papa P?
Yes, that's right. Yeah.
Yes, itong Kobe Tablet na ito po ay ibibigay ko sa aking fan swap next week. So, sali na po kayo.
Caray, oh.
Yes, Doc Arnold de la Cruz, my dentist. Maraming salamat. Faces and
Kumakain pa
Curves.
dun, no?
Tupperware brand, Michael Kors Eyewear. Petimond, Greenwich, Banana Peel, RNG Family, Gold's Gym, ABS-CBN Family, Star Magic Family, Atong Family, Ina Kapatid Anak Family. Siyempre, ang bigat. Siyempre, maraming salamat sa kay Mr. M. Tito Mariol, sa handler ko, Nanay Nenet, Kabzat, Jerry, maraming salamat. Ate Zen, Ate Weng, thank you. Yun, maraming salamat. Siyempre, cuties! Mahal ko kayo! Solid Maha, thank you. Coco Jam, Team Magis, maraming salamat. Siyempre, kaya maganda tong prod ko dahil sa G-Force! Thank you, G-Force, Teacher Giselle. Thank you so much, Kuya Dennis. Maraming salamat. At
Siyempre, Maha, dahil
Sa
ikaw
family
may
ko.
anniversary ngayon, ikaw pa daw ang may regalo sa mga fans mo. Please invite them to your concert.
yes, ayan, dahil it's my 10th year anniversary po. Ayan, Maha unveils at 10. Yung first kick-off ko po nangyari yun sa Glorieta sa Ayala Malls. Maraming salamat. Okay, yung third line namin, June 15, Metro Colon, Cebu, June 29, NCC Palawan, July 6, La Salva Bacolod, July 27, SM Baliwag, August 3, SM Rosales, August 30, KCC Mall, Jensen, September 21, SM Batangas, September 28, SM San Lazaro. Ayan, tapos yung mga producers sa ibang bansa, Europe, ganyan din.
Parating na.
Thank you.
Ano masasabi mo sa message ni Je?
Thank you. Dumating ka sa buhay ko.
Yeah! Alright! Congratulations, Ma'am, from all of us here sa ASAP. Don't go away, mga pamilya, because the hot Miss Christine Reyes is up next, only here on ASAP.
ASAP!